Pops, listen. I know you tell me it is a no for going on the cruise ship, but I strongly believe we need to be on one of those cruise ships.
You know, I haven't taken a vacation in a while. But I would have to take all of you. You would like that?
Pops, you know that's not what I mean. I'm just saying, like I said before, let's just get a cleaning crew to do a sweep once everybody disembark.
I can hear it now. Cynthia cussing me about invading a cruise ship's sanctity. Remember, each one of these vessels are registered to a foreign country, you know.
But, sir, if it's a cleaning agency, how is Cynthia going to know that we have anything attached to it?
Me no want take the risk there. And me no want hear nothing from nobody else. Unless, of course, you want to audition for the part as blind sweeper.
This just means we'll have to get close to Miranda again to get more vocal evidence.
You know, me can be a part of that, right? The both of them know my face.
I know that, look, you know. But let me just warn you. If you decide to take matters in your own hands to expedite the situation, and you know what hits the fan, there will not be enough toilet paper in this country to clean it up.
You don't have to worry. I'll get it done within the rules and regulations of the agency.
Funny making on me, right? We have got no successes by not being orthodox. But this time, you will color between the lines.
And Miranda gets a chance to color at will, right?
You're sure that this thing is not personal? Hello? Okay, alright. Send them in. I'm going to need the room. Speaking of the devil. She's outside. You sure it's not she bug you instead of you bug she? So why are you still here? This way. Don't give me that look.
Hello, David.
And to what do I owe this unexpected pleasure?
Well, I did tell you that I would keep you posted on my movements, and I'm here to give you a report.
Let me see if I remember the train of our last conversation. I'm here to take down Mr. Tony Xpressionz, and I need you to stay out of my way. Yet, here you are, seductively slithering into my office.
Oh, David, come on, that was the past. Let's move on from there. I need you to remember that Tony is just a pawn. We're really trying to get to the bigger player.